When I bought this car, the dealer had the plate thingy on here, so I hate it. And they drilled these 1/2-inch holes in my bumper, and just kind of finding a way to do this. And I heard about bumper plugs, and I'm gonna try to give that a shot. So over here at the bench we have bumper plugs. They're paint matched, so I'm gonna try to put these in. You need to use these snap bushings for holes that are like 1/2 inch. So we'll get these unpackaged, and then we'll just put them on the car and, you know, see how it looks. Alright, so I got the package of snap bushings, which are gonna go into each hole, and then the bumper plugs themselves will go into the snap bushings, and these kind of look like this. And then, so let's go ahead and give this a shot. And that's it. So let's take a close look here. So it fills it up kind of nicely there. The paint match is cool. Let's see if I can push this one in a little bit more, because you can kind of see the black on top. But yeah, looks better than 2 holes. All right, later.